Welcome to Attack. In this video, I will tell you that how you can start your day with your favorite tracks on Spotify as alarm bell. So let's get started. First of all, click on clock. Here click on plus sign and select a time for your alarm. So I will select 8:25 a.m. Now select weekdays and select your alarm sound. So on second number you can see Spotify. Click on it and select your favorite track. So I will select first one. Now move back and check your settings and then click on save button. So in this way you can set your favorite tracks on Spotify as alarm bell. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.